Hi, this is Beth from ZUMBA. I'm doing some how-to videos for you today, all on basic steps that we do in Zumba, breaking them down a little bit so that to help you in class. So here we go. Hello, I'm Beth from ZUMBA, and we're doing some simple steps from Salsa today. Simple because they're the ways you can do it in a Zumba class. So we accentuate movement rather than technique in Zumba classes to make it more fun and also greater fitness level. So what today we're going to do is the forward backwards move, and this is really common. It's the most common step in all normal salsa. So what we do, I'm going to turn around and do it with you this way. So we're going to walk forward on the one, tap that foot, we're going to lean into it, one, and then lean back on this foot for two, and then replace for three. So it's 1, 2, 3. We're going to work the hips more. So we're going to go 1 hip, 2, 3. We're going to do it in a circle, like we did with the side to side. So we're going to go forward, and the hip is doing a circle. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then the back is a circle behind. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I'll do it with you this way. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. But at its most basic, it's absolutely fine. So we're just going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Remembering we're not using the 4 and the 8 count. Oh, 8 count. Because in salsa we're not meant to really move on those. Well, in these steps anyway. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And in salsa we can do some little cutesy fingers and stuff. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that is that. Often with this, we might, with arms in class, we might be doing a shimmy, or we could be going up and down. Not so common in my classes. Normally, I will just be keeping arms quite simple, going round Cuban style like this. But sometimes we'll end this movement with a turn. So I'm going to show you that now. So we'll be going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We might do that a number of times. And then we do a turn. We can do a fast turn where we're going walk forward, back, and together. So it's more like walk, walk, walk. So we'll try it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and then it's 1, 2, 3. So we've just turned on the 2. 1, 2, 3. And then with the same leg, we're going to go to the back. 5, turn, and then 7, and back together. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, turn for 2, middle for 3, back for 5, middle for 6, and together for 7. So we'll do it 10 times. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that's it. I tend to not put my foot down for the 3. So we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that's our turn. That's the faster turn. Or sometimes do a slower turn. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then we go hips 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we'll just do a hip turn like that. It depends on the music, what I would choose to do. But those are generally what I would do. And then often in a Zumba class, we would then change to using the other leg. And that would be why I would be doing that change. And it makes it more seamless. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Some people would bring the feet together for the turn. So we might go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I tend to walk it because it's simpler to show and simpler for people to follow, which is most important in Zumba. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you soon.